I know everyone is super excited about summer starting, but after about a week, you start to get bored. Well, let me give you something to do. You can win some really cool prizes for participating in the RMJH Summer Reading Challenge. All you have to do is come to the library on the Tuesdays that we're open, pick up this Summer Library Reading Challenge paper. It'll explain everything that you need to do. It's kind of like bingo. It gives you some options on things that you can do, suggests certain types of books that you can read, and it asks you to fill out this form. If you create any of these patterns right here, you can win prizes. For a simple bingo where you get 4 in a row across or diagonal or up and down, you can come into the library and you can get a full-size candy bar or a bag of hot chips. If you get to the second level and you create an arrow, this can go in any corner. So this little 4 squared box could be down here or in any corner of the grid. You bring that in and I will buy you a soda or a Sonic drink. Level 3 is creating an X. Once you create an X, I will give you a coupon for the Fall Book Fair for $5 for free. And the best prize of all is if you do a blackout bingo card and you bring it to the library with all of the requirements met, you will get a ticket in a drawing to win a set of AirPods. Plus, you get a $10 Barnes & Noble gift card. So you can really use your time wisely this summer by reading a book, growing your mind, and making sure you don't fall into the summer slide where you lose your reading ability, and you can earn some really cool prizes. All of the prizes are explained on our Summer Reading Challenge requirements page. All you have to do is come up here to the library to get one of these, or these are also linked on the Summer Reading newsletter. That newsletter can be found all over our social media, plus it's on our webpage, or you can just call me up here at McNair, or you can email me right here. Here's my email address, and I will give you all the information that you need. So I hope to keep you from being bored this summer by offering you some summer reading with our Summer Reading Challenge, and maybe you'll be the lucky winner of some AirPods.